I don't know. We just here. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to all returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. So we are here today at the Hoover Dam, hanging out, exploring. So come and hang out with us, give my video a thumbs up, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and drop some comments and thoughts and let me know what you think of us hanging out at the Hoover Dam.
to see the overspill? Yeah.
That's big. Say hey, babe. Temperature. I'm gonna stay on this side.
Colorado River.
If you guys only could see this in person, it is no joke. The height of everything here is no joke. Look at that.
It's fun going down the hill.
And you come back up.
So you can see it went to the Hoover Dam, baby.
I know. That's so picturesque. Okay, I can stay right here.
He got the good camera. You see his camera?
Yeah, yeah.
You can see all the way over there.
That's a good picture. Charles! Making me nervous. Do it again. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, Alex, don't get too close. I know. You want to capture it? Yeah. Oh, are people really doing that? You got soda though. It's sticky. Oh, no it's not. That's crazy. I know. That's actual, like, people are driving across it, I think. It's where you just stop and you just take it in. Okay, you gonna do it? Oh, wow. Okay, wait a minute. Alex, you about to do it. Look, he about to do it. Look. He about to do it. Oh my God! Yes. Look at his face. He's so happy with himself. What's this? The Bureau of Reclamation Boulder Canyon Project. I bet those are old. You gotta be outside, right, baby? You can't be under here. Okay. Ooh, look how big this is. Are you laughing at the thought of what you're about to do? Oh, somebody else is doing it too, Alex. Somebody else is doing it too. Oh, he just filled up his whole bottle. Yes. No, you say you gotta do it on the outside, babe. Yeah, let me get it.
Yep. You see the movie?
Huh?
Yep.
Yep, what? I'm sorry, go ahead.
No, are you taking?
I'm good. I'm good. Huh? Uh-huh.
I looked up to see. Okay. Yeah, we just don't want that in real life.
Okay, Charles is about to do an experiment. Oh my gosh. Okay, one more time. One more time. Where the water. Yeah, see? See, it's flying back though. Okay, go. It's not even no wind. Oh, now it is. Do it now. When it's wind, do it now. My little scientist. I did it. I got it on camera. Feel it down there, babe. Feel the drift.
Yeah, it feels right here. Yeah.
Okay, so you feel it.
So the wind coming this one is hitting, like it's bringing it up. Yeah.
How cool. Yeah. I couldn't drive. I could not do the drive. No.
I remember as a kid.
That's a freeway. It's wide.
It's
like,
right open.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Oh my.
Looks tiny from here, but when you get up.
Pickups, they
Yeah.
look like little matchbox cars.
Whole nother world.
It is. So there's one on the other side too. There's two of them.
Really?
And they're called diversion tunnels.
Okay, so they moved like the middle back to.
They actually, one actually was down the Xoxo, kind of quite a ways all away from like the very base.